Good morning, it's Dave and Tina. Tina's actually recording at the moment. Dave and Tina from Thailand sites. I'm just going to do a quick run on the scooter down Jomtien Beach. And I'd like to thank Ceejay for giving me this shirt. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below this video. Ceejay, same but different. Well, we're just leaving Ban Swan La Lana now on to Pratumnak 1. So this is the end of Beach Road now. Make sure nothing's coming. Yeah, this is the very end of Jomtien now. So they seem to be doing something with the pipework here, but I don't know exactly what. Probably sewerage or something, but I'll try and find out, or I expect I will find out in the future. Now we'll take a steady run down the length of this beach right down to Dongtan Beach. There are a couple of nice restaurants along here. I'll probably pop into a few on my next video. I've done a lot of videos around Thailand, but not too much around Jomtien where we live. But the beach down to the far end from here is a good few kilometers long. This is definitely the quieter end of Jomtien Beach, and there's no beer bars as such, or ladies dancing in the bars. It's more condos, hotels, guest houses and restaurants. And I think you need to go to either Pratumnak 1 to get to the nearest bar, or even down to Soy Welcome where there's a few bars down there, but it's a bit more low-key up this end. Now this is the end of Jomtien Beach that has more nightlife, namely Soy 7, Soy 5. I'm not too sure about Soy 6, but not to be confused with the Soy 7, Soy 6 of Pattaya, which is very busy, or in usual times. Now on the right hand side you see the sign for Lek Jomtien Hotel just past the 7-Eleven. That's the start of Soy 7, so if you ever want a beer, that's where I normally head. I got a few friends with bars down there. It's a little bit more lively. And then just up by here then we have Soy 5, which is what they call the immigration soy. But they've done some refurbishment down here and they've made it quite nice. And this area on the left, I'll try and come back in the evening. They usually have sort of dancing, exercise, keep fit. But It's only 10 past 11 in the morning, so it's a bit early for all that. I've done a video back a year or so ago about feeding squirrels on Dongtan Beach. Well, it was along this stretch here. There's hundreds of them. Public toilets there on the left. Just inside here, I don't know if I can just swing the camera around a little bit. There's a water park just the other side of this fence. And my wife reckons it's 100 baht to go in. And you can stay there all day, yeah? Yep, you can stay there all day. Now just up by here on the left, we have what looks like a little lifeboat station. But just prior to that on the sand, they do the beach volleyball. So we may come back later on and add it to this video, but it's usually I wouldn't say late in the evening, but 4 o'clock, something like that, as the heat of the day is going down. It's a rescue centre on the left. Lots of people doing keep fit down here. I could watch them all day. I don't know whether walking or running about in this temperature is good. But there's also work going along on this beach. What's the name of this beach, team?
I'm not sure. People here
Pratumnak Beach. Yeah. But we're not sure where Dongtan Beach ends and Pratumnak Beach starts. But again, lovely area to come down for the day, plenty of shade. But apart from what looks like some workboat on the beach and one out in the sea, we would have quite a nice view here. So there's something definitely going on. Wow, now they stop people going in there now. Now before you used to be able to park on this area on the left, all the cars and scooters. And now they must have something in mind. Maybe I'll just go inside here. Oops, excuse the bumps. Well, we're still at the end of I'm not sure if this is Dongtan Beach or Pratumnak Beach. But we'll just park up here and I'll show you the beach from here. Very quiet. A dredger or workboat in the distance doesn't look too nice, but it'll give you an idea what's up this end of the beach. There are some really nice places here if you want to plonk yourself down for the day. Deck chairs, I can remember, are quite reasonable, and umbrellas. I can't remember the exact price, but it wasn't much. You're hot or cold, Teen?
Now okay. Not hot.
There's a bit of a breeze here.
Yeah.
Bit of a breeze and shade, so I wouldn't say it's cool, but it's the next best thing. Here's the delivery driver here if you want a little bit of food on the beach. Lovely part of the beach. And then back up to Dongtan Beach. And so we're just leaving Dongtan Beach to join Jomtien Beach. I'll just take a quick ride up Soi 7 while I'm here. But I think up the end you can't turn left, I'm not sure, with the roadworks that's going on Second Road. It's a nightmare at the moment. And then we'll turn left now into Soi 7. This is the main area for bars in Jomtien. I don't know if anybody will be drinking this early. Oh yeah. There's a few die-hard drinkers here already. Plenty of bars, massage shops, hairdressers. It's not a bad little area for if you're staying on your holidays. I probably wouldn't want to live here. We're quite a few kilometers away from here. Now this is the end I normally drink in. There's one little bar just by this pickup, this white pickup on the left, called Diggers and Dingoes. And another one a little bit further on the right hand side called the Roxy, both run by Australian people. I usually come down here for them particular bars because if there's no customers there I can have a chat with the owners. There's a little mag. There's another bar area over the other side, but we keep hearing it's going to be closed, they're going to build something else there, but nothing seems to happen. That's called Rumpos over the other side. And then a little market in that car park on the right hand side now, Rumpos Market. I might as well just go down this side now. This is Soi 5. This one's always busy with the immigration. There's the immigration on the left hand side now, but probably most expats already know where that is. A couple of little bars on the right hand side. And there's a fantastic place to get a breakfast called Simple Simon's. I don't go there all the time. I'll put on too much weight, but the food is very, very good, especially an English breakfast, and it comes out within a couple of minutes. You're not waiting around for half an hour for your food. And then just the end of here, left again onto Beach Road. We've seen on Facebook that there's a little shop somewhere along here, or off here. It's like, it sells the expat foods, but we've never actually been there. We'll have a look now, see if we can find it.
I know. Sale on condo. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh well, we're going to have a look down here.
Expat.
Not a palaver, just to go to a shop. We think it's down here. The guy's not particularly sure, but it looks like a hotel or a condo buildings with shops on the bottom. But one of them was supposed to be specialising in sort of expat food. Right, the guy said it may be Jimmy's is a restaurant team. Oh, there we go, expat food. So this is a shop called Expat Foods, and we've asked the lady inside if we can pop in and just have a quick look while we're here.
Now listen, if you could do any advertising for me at all, I'd appreciate it, I promise you.
No worries, mate. Thank you.
Summer fruits.
Oh, they got PG tips there.
All right,
What did
yeah.
I get? Where's the box one?
So it looks like your regular
Yeah, I've-
UK food.
What are them? Summer fruits.
This lady just give us permission as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not really a lover of video in supermarkets or things, but this one might be interesting for expats
Nice. Orange.
living around near us. I love them, but they're very fat.
Yeah, you want? I can buy
Up to you.
in your room. I need
Right, I hope the video is okay because this GoPro tends to get the shakes. Tends to get the shakes in low light. Do frozen foods as well. It looks like a good selection if you live in around the Jomtien area.
Indian food, chicken farm.
Indian
hot cross buns.
hot cross buns. Wow. Spring rolls. Yeah, they got a good selection, and for us, it's not too far from our condo as well. So you're the boss, are you?
She's the boss.
All right. How long you been here?
We opened 7 weeks ago.
All right.
Yeah, 7 weeks ago. It's okay, it's picking up nicely now.
It took us a few minutes to find it, mind you.
I know. We've got a good Google map on its way, and hopefully
Right.
nobody else will have problems soon, if you like, you know. But
Well, I'll put a link to it on this video, and hopefully it'll help some people get here. I know I'm living in Thailand, but occasionally I do miss some of the stuff from back home. Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester.
Manchester, Cardiff, me.
Yeah, I knew it. We got the Welsh swang there. Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks very much for letting us in. And
No.
well, it's funny, just a chance thing we seen on Facebook has brought us to this place. And I'll try and put a link. I got to find the place first on Facebook. I'll put a link under this video. But they do have a very good selection of food here, sort of Falang Western food. The guy's name's Tony, and he's from Manchester. So, thank you. Right, Jomtien Beach. I'm gonna have to turn my bike round so I can get this on the video quickly. Jomtien Beach condominium. Sorry I have to move a bit quickly there, but there's something coming. Well, that was it, folks. That's my little trip down Jomtien Beach. Hope you enjoyed it.